Hi, my name is Kai Gilbert in Year 7, and on behalf of all the TSS boys, I want to wish all the mothers in the TSS community a great Mother's Day. Some of the boys above me in the video are pledging to do different things for their mothers, such as shopping, car cleaning, cooking and gardening. It'd be great if we could all do something special for our loved one. Remember to wear pink tomorrow to honour all mums online. Happy Mother's Day.
This Mother's Day I pledge to do the mowing, just how you like a mum.
This Mother's Day I pledge to help my mum by cooking throughout the weekend and cleaning. I love you, Mum. I hope you boys can do the same.
This Mother's Day, I promise to do all the cooking in the house to show Mum how grateful I am for her cooking for me all the time. Love you, Mum.
This Mother's Day, I pledge to cook my mum lunch on the weekends. Happy Mother's Day, and I love you, Mum.
This Mother's Day, I plan to help Mum do the chores around the house. Love you, Mum.
I pledge to cook dinner for my family. Love you, Mum.
Hi guys, it's Miss Fennell here. I'm still at home on maternity leave after having this cheeky little girl Florence, and this is Xavier. And I just wanted to send a quick message to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, all the grandmothers, all the dads who play two roles on Sunday. And boys, don't forget to tell your mum why you love them. So Xavier, why do you love Mummy?
She's my best friend.
Thanks guys, see you soon.
This weekend for Mother's Day, I'm going to be spending time with my mum, helping her cook in the kitchen, playing board games with her and going on bike rides. I hope everyone has a safe and happy Mother's Day this weekend.